Assalamualaikum, my name is NURUL binti Abdul Rahman and I'm from LG2401B. So for today, I'll be presenting the topic noun phrase and noun clause. So first thing first, noun phrase. A noun phrase consists of a noun and other related words, usually modifiers and determiners, which modify the noun. So basically, noun phrase is a noun plus modifiers. The modifiers can be after or before the noun. Okay, so the examples, I have two examples for different position of the modifiers. So the first is, he is wearing a nice red shirt. So that means, so the shirt is the object and the nice red is the modifier of the noun, which is the shirt. The next one, this one is the modifier are after the object, after the noun. So the boy with brown hair is laughing. So the boy is the noun, which is the object, the subject, and brown hair is the modifier. Okay, so next, structure of noun phrase. Okay, basically a noun phrase noun phrase consists of four parts. First are determiner, the pre-modifier, head, and post-modifier. Okay. For example, the poor people of the society suffer most. So in this sentence, the word the is the determiner, poor is the pre-modifier, people is the head, and of the society is the post-modifier. Okay, so the noun phrase can be built up in a lot of ways. So a few of it are determiner and noun. The examples are the village, a house. Next, quantifier and noun. Some people, a lot of money. Okay, next, determiner, adjective, and noun. The examples are our closest friends, a new house, a new shoes. Okay, next, quantifier, determiner, and noun. The example is all those children. The last way that the noun phrase can be built up is quantifier, determiner, adjective, and noun. The example is both of my younger brothers. So as you can see, in this different way that the noun phrase is built up, the determiner is in different places and positions. Okay, so next, noun clause. Okay, what is a noun clause? A noun clause is a dependent clause that acts as a noun. Noun clause usually begin with words such as how, that, what, whatever, when, where, whether, which, whichever, who, the W words. So, noun clauses can act as subjects, direct objects, indirect objects, predicate nominatives, or objects of a preposition. Okay, so the examples of noun clause. Okay, so the first example is choose a gift for whomever you want. Okay, so this is a noun clause because it has the whomever, which is a noun clause because it starts with the word for whomever. It's performing the function of a noun, so that's why it's a noun clause. Okay, so next sentence, whichever restaurant you pick is fine with me. So whichever restaurant you pick, so it is a noun clause because whichever is performing. Okay, so this is a noun clause because it is performing as a subject from the noun, which is the restaurant. So this is a noun clause which starts from the word whichever. Okay, so another example is, do you know what the weather will be? So in the sentence, what the weather will be is the noun clause. So next example, my greatest asset is that I am a hard worker. So in the sentence, that I am a hard worker is the noun clause. It is a noun clause because it is performing as an object, which is actually the function of a noun, and the clause is performing the function of a noun. So that's why we say that this is a noun clause. So last example for noun clause. I wonder how long we should wait here. So obviously the noun clause in this sentence is how long we should wait here. So that's all for my presentation this time for noun phrase and noun clause. Thank you.